After 2000, the most notable topic in the global fashion market is the importance of fast fashion brands. Fast fashion brands, such as Zara, H&M, and Uniqlo, have emerged in the fashion industry and have shown approximately a 15% annual sales growth rate for the past 5 years. An approximately 10% profit rate is being achieved, comparable to global IT enterprises, Samsung DesignNet, 2011. According to the Top 100 Most Valuable Global Brands 2011 list by brands, a global brand value evaluation rank system, the fast fashion brands H&M and Zara have reached 62nd and 86th place, respectively. Moreover, Uniqlo came in 7th place in the apparel sector. The fast fashion market has high growth potential, especially core fast fashion brands, such as Zara, H&M, and Uniqlo. The fast fashion industry provides trendy and qualified products to consumers at a low cost. However, despite industrial growth, the industry is now being reevaluated because of ethical issues, such as manufacturing labor, environmental pollution due to the heavy production of dye and waste materials, and consumer understanding issues, Rowan Kim, 2009. Additionally, because fast fashion is sensitive to trends, concerns about environmental pollution caused by resource dissipation and mass production of fashion waste have emerged. Ill-considered spending and selection of clothes, issues with unconscious imitation, and low-cost shopping addiction have degenerated the image of fast fashion. Recent research on fast fashion is multilateral. For example, recent topics include the characteristics of style and marketing strategies for fast fashion, Kim, 2007, Han and Cho, 2010, a proposal for a Korean SPA brand, Jang, 2007, and a study on the shopping behavior and satisfaction of fast fashion consumers, Suan Lee, 2011. Researchers have devoted considerable effort to understand consumer behaviors and marketing strategies. Fast fashion has not yet made suitable efforts to achieve sustainability, even though serious environmental pollution is produced in this sector. Research on these issues is non-existent. A new concept, social network services, could develop an open social content model for facilitating consumer participation, but there has been little research. The objective, therefore, is to develop sustainable social content for fast fashion, enabling fast fashion brands to overcome the limitations, and to provide working-level implications for marketing strategies and the sustainable development of brands. Fashion is a growing industry, but the demand for cheap, fast fashion has a high environmental footprint. Some brands lead the way by innovating to reduce waste, improve recycling, and encourage upcycling. But if we are to make fashion more sustainable, consumers and industry must work together. As the demand for apparel and shoes has increased worldwide, the fashion industry has experienced substantial growth. In the last 15 years, clothing production has doubled, accounting for 60% of all textile production. One particular trend driving this increase is the emergence of fast fashion. The newest trends in celebrity culture and bespoke fashion shows rapidly become available from affordable retailers. In recent years, a designer's fashion calendar can consist of up to 5 collections per year, and in the mass-produced market, new stock is being produced every 2 weeks. As with many commodities today, mass production and consumption are often accompanied by mass wastage, and fashion is no different. In fashion, trends rapidly change, and a drive to buy the latest style can leave many items with a short lifespan and consigned to the waste bin. Given that 73% of clothing ends up in landfills and less than 1% is recycled into new clothing, there are significant costs with regard to not only irreplaceable resources but also the economy via landfilling clothing. At present, it is estimated that £140 million worth of clothing is sent to landfills in the UK each year. Although a significant proportion of recycled fibres are downgraded into insulation materials, industrial wipes, and stuffing, they still constitute only 12% of total discarded material. The world is increasingly worried about the environmental and social costs of fashion, particularly items that have short lifespans. Mass-produced fashion is often manufactured where labor is cheap, but working conditions can be poor. Sweatshops can even be found in countries with stricter regulations. The transport of products from places of manufacture to points of sale contributes to the textile industry's rising carbon footprint. 1.2 billion metric tons of CO2 were reportedly emitted in 2015. Textile dyeing and finishing are thought to contribute to 20% of the world's water pollution. 3 in microfiber emission during washing amounts to 500,000 metric tons of plastic pollution annually. 4 Fashion's water footprint.